In this problem, they give us the slope of a line is 2/3, and the y-intercept of a line is 2. So, an equation for this line can be written in the form ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are relatively prime integers with a greater than 0. So we want to determine the value of c. Now, just given the first sentence, we can write this as y equals 2/3 x plus 2. But this is in slope-intercept form, and they want it in general form. So the first thing is we're going to multiply everything by 3, because the numbers in front of both x and y have to be prime integers. Can't have fractions. So when we multiply everything by 3, we get 3y equals 2x plus 6. Now we want x and y on the same side. So if we subtract 2x to the other side, we get minus 2x plus 3y equals 6. Now, one other detail is they tell us that a has to be greater than 0. Now a is the number in front of x, but it's not. It's negative. So what do? Well, we multiply everything by -1. So when we multiply everything by -1, this becomes positive 2x minus 3y equals -6. Now what they want is they want the value of c in this equation. So this equation, the value of c, is the number by itself. And so that is -6. There's our answer, and we're done.